coconut tree. This is a date tree. You see the way it looks like a flower. Here what you see, you feel like you're in Mombasa, you know. So guys, yes, I got what I came here to, the big machines, you know, the Chevrons, the Corvettes. Hello my friends, such a beautiful day today. You know, the building here, it's so tall, you might feel as if it's falling on you. When you look at the building like this, you see it's like it's falling on you. Anyway, hello everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you're watching me from. It's Amir.Nasser. Welcome to my channel, guys. Oh, such a very hot day today. It's here, actually it's humid. Yeah, it's really really hot. Which way should I go? I will go this side, then I will come from the other side. Anyway, how have you been, guys? It's yet another video here in the islands of Bahrain. So today I'm just doing a local walk. Do we say walk or do we say peruse, or what do we say? I'm just walking around the neighborhood where I stay. I'm checking around what's going on, the buildings. Then I will go to the shop. I need to buy a little bit of items, then go back to the house, because today is my off day. I need to do a little bit of exercise, a little bit of running. How have you been, guys? It's been a while. You know nowadays for me vlogging, it's really challenging, but I'm trying my best. Apart from that, everything is so good, and I hope you're gonna enjoy this video today. You see here, it's very hot, but you'll find that they are planting something will always grow. But you know, these ones are genetically modified, because you can imagine here the temperature, how hot it is. Yeah, you can imagine how hot it is. So nothing can just grow or naturally. The only thing that can grow here naturally, it's the dates. Actually, the date look like a coconut tree, but it's not a coconut tree, but it looks the same. So those are the only trees that they can grow here naturally. And some desert shrubs, we call them shrubs. And you know where I'm standing, this used to be sea before. It used to be a sea, and now it's land. See, in the real concrete jungle. So yeah, I'm gonna enter here. This is where I'm coming. Push or pull. Yes. I want to buy. Let me check first. What is this, guys? Yeah. I've never seen like this before. Let me see. Hey. What is this? It's written in Japanese or Chinese. But anyway, I just came to take my bro, how are you? I want mint. No. Apart from this, you have another one? So guys, yes, I got what I came here to buy. Yes, so I'm continuing to walk. So actually this place looks like this. This place looks like this, and it's still under construction, and a lot of investments here, guys. I'm telling you, a lot of investments here. People are building. See, like this building, it's still under construction. See how tall it is. Oh my god. Where? Very tall. See? It's still under construction. You know, when you stand here, you see the buildings. When you stand here, you feel a little bit dizzy. So I'm wondering, the people who are working up there, how do they feel? the way I'm scared of heights. So I'm imagining the people working up there. How do they feel? Anyway, so far so good. Everything is amazing. Everything is nice in this part of the world. Here people always drive big machines, you know, the Chevrons, the Corvettes, yeah, and the Maseratis. All you will see them here. So far so good. This is what I've been doing. You know, another major thing is a lot of construction is going on here. So most of the major roads still there under construction. Also there is a lot of traffic. So for me also to move out and create content, it's a bit challenging, because as you all know, here in Bahrain, still I'm not driving. So using Uber, it's a tricky situation. Yeah, using Uber is a very tricky situation. I don't know if I go this way, then I round, then I come. Yeah, better I go this way. I round just to show you around, but it will be a long distance. Or I just go like this. Let me go like this. The other side, it will be a long distance. And then where I'm standing, if you just continue to go straight on that side, there is the Gulf Sea. Sea and ocean, what is the difference, by the way? Because they are all salty. First of all, they are all salty. Second of all, they all have sharks, and they all have salty fish, marine life. So I really wonder sometimes, what is the difference? Why do we call this a sea, and why do we call this an ocean? Please guys, in the comment section, can you differentiate between the two? What is the difference? What is the difference of a sea, and what is the difference of an ocean? So here it is. And then you see this land. There is also land here. For those who want to invest, they can invest in land here. You can buy land and you can build your future apartment. And then here there is something called Good Imprint Association. You see this one? When you have old clothes or you want to donate, you can come and you can put them here, so that these clothes, they can go for donation for the less fortunate, or for the people who cannot afford to buy clothes and all these things. And like you see the other side, I was telling you, this other side, that's the new bridge. And then below that bridge there is the sea. Below that bridge there is the sea. That's what I was telling you. And if I go straight like this, I'll see the sea. I don't know if, but from here you cannot see. When I go upstairs, I will show you the sea. Yeah, when I go upstairs, I'll show you the sea. You will be able to see. But the other side, everything is under construction. Everything is under construction. And then when we go to this other side, that's the place where you will see a lot of buildings, a lot of people. That's where there is a lot of people, a lot of entertainment, by the way, and too much things. The sun, I'm telling you, here we are getting the sun, guys. The way we are getting the sun is amazing. So Now I'm going back. I'm going back to the house. Then when I reach in the house, I'll hit the gym. Then Then we will continue with the video. I hope you're enjoying the video up to this point. Please don't forget to give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, share. Yeah, so guys, I've already reached up here. It's really humid. I don't know if you can see in the camera. You see it looks like it's smoky, but this is how it looks like here. You see how it looks like? This is how it looks like. And I really love this. You see guys, this is what I was telling you. This is not a coconut tree. This is a date tree. You see the way it looks like a flower. This is a date tree, and it's planted. The way it's planted, they put sand, and then they put this soil is black. It's not red volcanic loam soil. They put loam soil, and then they put some manure. Then after the manure, it grows. You see also this one. This is a date tree. Also this one. Yeah. So actually, yeah, after purchasing what I was purchasing down there, I just decided to come here to do some exercise a little bit. Then maybe later jump in the swimming pool. I'll jump here in the swimming pool a little bit, swim, cool down, then later go back down and maybe watch some YouTube, read a book, talk with friends and family, and call it a day. So that's how I spend my off days nowadays. And I said, why not always vlog this small what am I saying? And that's why I decided I'll be doing these small vlogs, so that it will be able to keep my channel engaging with the viewers. Because at the end of the day, I don't want to lose subscribers. You know, I've worked so hard to gain subscribers, and losing them will be a huge blow. You know, it will be a huge blow on me. So I really don't want that to happen. And you know, YouTube is not for the faint-hearted, and it's not really easy. It's really hard. So the gym is there, inside there. This is the pool, and then down here, these are the buildings. As you can see, that is the Persian Gulf. And yeah, this is how it looks like. So that's how this video was. Just a small video, a small touring around my neighborhood. And as you can see down there, those are the residential areas down there. Yeah, so at least I've given you a tour, guys, on where I stay. And this building is very nice, by the way. Ooh. No, I don't want even to look down. You know, when I look down there, I feel a little bit dizzy. Someone is drying some fish. So anyway, I'm gonna end my video here so that I can start my workout. Let's sit here a little bit. Yeah, for the parting shot. Yes, I'm gonna end my video here. For those who have joined now, please watch the video from the beginning to know how we reached here. And for those who are watching up to this point, thank you, and thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your support, your comments, and your likes. I still have a little bit of flu, sorry guys. So yeah, so keep entertained, yani keep locked. More videos are coming, and see, when you sit here, what you see, you feel like you're in Mombasa, you know, you feel like you're in Miami. Yeah, so keep entertained, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye. So guys, this is the entrance.